think the point is that it works in high risk, which is important. It works quickly. It works in patients with renal disease. As in the CD38 class, it can be given to patients who have some degree of pulmonary risk, which may therefore make this a more attractive option. It has the advantage of a weekly schedule for the first month and then every 2 weeks, so a little bit more convenient. The other thing is it's a relatively short infusion time. It's only a couple of hours once things are settled in. I have to stress, though, that obviously daratumab's had some very exciting data which showed that the sub-Q route is very well tolerated and very effective. So I think to some extent that issue of duration of infusion time is less of a challenge now for everyone, which is good news. But I think that the advantage of isatuximab is that in its properties it has this anti-apoptotic mechanism, which an ectoenzymic engagement at the epitope where the CD38 is expressed, which may make it particularly attractive. Say, for example, if a patient's had multiple lines of treatment and has had daratumumab before, if you're revisiting CD38, for example, in combination, you might want to think about isatuximab as a wise choice, because again, whilst we know that if you do, if dara fails a patient and you go immediately to isatuximab as monotherapy, that may not be terribly successful. Safe, but the early trials in Europe did not suggest significant benefit. The converse, which is the combination of the drug with other agents, obviously has more appeal, particularly based upon these data.